Hi everyone, welcome back to Money Made Simple. Today we're discussing the Canada Child Benefit CCB 2025, an important tax-free monthly payment for Canadian families with kids under 18. I'll guide you through eligibility, how to apply, and tips for a smooth process. Let's dive in. What is the Canada Child Benefit? The CCB is a tax-free monthly payment for families with children under 18. The amount depends on your income, number of children, and their ages. For 2025, amounts may adjust for inflation, so stay updated. Eligibility requirements. To qualify for the CCB, 1. Be the primary caregiver of a child under 18. 2. Be a Canadian resident for tax purposes. 3. You or your partner must be a Canadian citizen, permanent resident, protected person, or temporary resident living in Canada for 18 plus months. 4. File your taxes yearly, even with no income. Tip: filing taxes ensures eligibility and proper benefit calculation. How to apply for the CCB 2025. The easiest way? Apply online via CRA My Account. 1. Set up or log in. Go to cra.gc.ca My Account with your SIN. 2. Navigate, find the Apply for Child Benefits section. 3. Fill out details, include info about yourself, your spouse, and your kids, names, birth dates, SINs. 4. Submit, double check your form and submit. Documents to prepare: SINs, birth certificates, and tax info. Prefer mail? Use form RC66 from the CRA website. After you apply, the CRA reviews your application and notifies you. Approved families get payments on the 20th of each month. Update CRA if your family situation changes, e.g. new child, move, or income changes. Tips for a smooth application: 1. File taxes on time annually. 2. Keep your CRA My Account updated. 3. Apply as soon as your child qualifies. 4. For questions, contact CRA at 1-800-959-8281 or cra.gc.ca. Applying for the CCB can make a big financial difference for your family. If this video was helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tips. Have questions? Drop them in the comments. I'd love to help. Thanks for watching and see you next time.